Hey everyone, and welcome to another video by Scrapping with Kids. Just thought I'd share a bit of the countryside in the state of Victoria in Australia. There's hard rubbish week in this area where I'm currently driving. It's not too far from where we live, so I just thought I'd share a bit of the countryside. So as I come up to the piles, I'll record a few bits and pieces of what we find. So here's another pile. Let's just have a look and see what's down here. You can see somebody's already been through here. There's not much left of this fridge. The compressor's been taken out. A couple of it's a DVD player and another DVD player. There's a couple of DVD players. Fax machine. I'm not sure what's in these, if there's anything good in them. I've never pulled one apart actually. This is not too bad. It's for a ute or a car, like a rear. Not sure what I'll do with it though. Looks pretty good. Alright, let's go have a look what else is there. Just thought I'd show you what we've picked up so far. Not much, to be honest. We've got a bit of brass there and a bit of copper on that sink. We've taken this weed sprayer. We can use that on our farm. And this Apple iMac and a couple of DVD players. So we'll just keep going down this country road and let's see what else we can find. But as I said before, looks like somebody's already come through this area, so don't know how much we're gonna actually find. Okay, another pile. Looks like a microwave and a couple of DVD players and a HD box. Alright, so we'll grab them. This fridge still has its compressor, which I'm surprised, because up the road every other pile has been taken out. So, but we're not going to be removing those compressors. I don't do that anymore, so we'll just leave that for someone else. Just a bike and all windows, so nothing there really. The properties around here are really nice. The drive is really cool, so even though there's not much scrap, at least you can still enjoy the serenity in this beautiful country town. Okay, I've got another pile here. A lot of sheet steel, as you can see, but I didn't bring my trailer, so we're not interested in any of that. So if you have a truck or a big trailer, yeah, you can load up quite a bit. It'll be worthwhile. So not much here either. There's a bicycle, a couple of small bits and pieces, but all more. We're not really gonna be looking at that. Let's see if we can find something good. What is over here? Oh look, looks like some sort of a surfboard at the back there. Alright, let's go check that out. Just pull up. Nice piece of steel. Have a look at the size of that fly. That is huge. Okay, we'll put that down. Let's see what that is. It's not bad. Maybe we'll take that. What is inside here? Just a box. There's nothing in there. Cool. We'll also remove our lead from the washing machine. So yeah, we'll grab these. Okay, so the board's all tied up now. Super stoked about this find. This is awesome. So we've got a few cables and a few of these barbecue gas fittings. As you can see, they're all brass, so just go around and cut them off and we'll take the brass off them later. Alright, let's see what else we can find. Quite a big pile here. Let's have a look. Home theatre receiver. There's a few speakers in there. Vacuum cleaner. We'll remove the cord of that. Wow. Hello, horsey. Some animals in the background. Beautiful day. Okay. Nothing overly exciting, but that's alright. Keep going. We'll grab that. Battery charging pack. What else? Oldie. What is that? Dick Smith. Not sure. That's pretty much it for this pile. Just thought I'd pull over and show you a bit more of country Victoria. How's this for a throwaway? Looks like a good cement mixer. It's like a wheelbarrow style. The motor's still there. The only problem is it's probably too heavy for me to lift this up, so I will probably leave it for someone else, but wow. Looks like it's in a good nick. Right, we have a cord, we'll take that. How much in there? Wow, if I had someone with me, I could probably lift it up. Bummer. And a small engine beside it. Guess what? I did manage to put this cement mixer in the back of the ute, so, and a little engine. So let's take it home and let's see if this works. This would be very handy actually. Can't believe it. So we just got home and yeah, this is what we've just picked up on our short 1 hour trip into the country. This cement mixer, the big board, that small engine in there, and a few DVD players, and that iMac computer, which is broken, but I'm looking forward to having a look what's inside, as I've never pulled any of them apart. So it's raining now, the rain started coming down, so we'll call it a day here. And so I couldn't just end a video without actually giving this a test. So I've just taken it out of the ute and I fired it up before and it actually worked. So just to show you guys, I actually can't believe that it actually works. But okay, so here we go. Look at that. Wow, what a pickup. And it's a really good sized barrel too. Like, this just made my day. Can't believe it. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.